Hi, I'm Amanda, and I just want to share with you a program that I use to learn languages very quickly. Now, I have a full-time job and I'm learning two languages, so I am really busy with these things. And what I need is a fast way to learn with the small amount of time that I have. So the way that I do that is I download a program called Anki onto my computer, and I also download the application onto my phone. Now, I have an Android, so it's free, but unfortunately, if you have an iPhone, I hear that this application, Anki, is not free. But you can still create the flashcards on your computer and use them on and learn from them on your computer, even if you have an iPhone. So when you download it, you will get this, and you just double click to open. Okay, and here you can see that I have my flashcards. Go to create a deck at the bottom, and you want to come up with a name. So you can call this My English Cards or anything that you want. And then if you click this gear here, you have the options. So click options. And you can set how many cards you want to learn every day. So what I like to do is learn 30. If that's too much for you, you can bring it down, or you can increase the number if you want to spend more time studying. Okay, so after that, click your My English Cards deck, or whatever you called it, and then add here. Okay, so here we are creating the flashcard. We have the front and the back of the flashcard. Now I'm going to go into my English learning document. I like to keep a Google Doc to just keep everything that I'm learning for my class. So, but if my teacher corrects my grammar and my pronunciation and everything, I keep it here. So I just transfer this into my flashcards. So let's say my vocabulary is pizza. All right, this is simple, but it's a really good way to show you how to do this. So I will look up my vocabulary word, pizza, in Google Images, and I'll just scroll through and I will try to find an image that really makes me think of so many things about pizza. I want to imagine the smell, the taste, how the cheese looks, and my memories of eating pizza with my friends. Any memory that you can connect to your vocabulary, the better. So I'm just going to right click, copy image, and I'm going to go back down here to my Anki flashcard, and in the front, I'll paste the picture. You can go into multiple pictures. So I like this picture with the cheese, you know, stretching, and it looks really good. This one also looks really colorful. I like pizza like this. So I will post that here. And I like this pizza too, because I remember a time when I was really into making pizzas at home. And my pizzas kind of looked like that. So that's attached to my memory. So this kind of picture will help me remember the word more. So we have all of these pictures of pizza. I could pick one more. It's, you know, the more the better. You can pick funny ones or anything that will help you really think about your word. Okay, and then, so that's the front card. That's the card that I will see, and I will have to remember what this is. Notice here I'm not using any other language. It's best if you avoid learning about your second language in your first language, because then you will try to translate everything in your mind and you won't be so fluent. It will slow you down, basically. So in the back of the card, we'll have the word pizza. There. Okay, but I want to also add some audio. So I'm going to take my word pizza and I'm going to go to forvo.com and I'm going to type in pizza and search. Make sure that it is in English and not in Italian or Spanish or any other language. It's in the language that you are learning. So we have pizza, Pizza Hut, and many different expressions and phrases with the word pizza. So I'll click this. I see there are 4 pronunciation files. You can go through these and choose which one you like. Okay, so let's say I like this one, so I download it. I click this down button and save. And I have it pop up here. I'm not sure how it will be on your computer, but you can just grab the file after you download it and hold down the mouse. I'm still holding and I'm still holding, and I just put it here and I drop it.
Pizza.
So that will add the audio to this. So I will copy this. So we will add that flashcard. Now I want to create the opposite. So I want to see the word and hear the recording pizza. And then again, you just go and choose more images of pizza. Just copy and paste it into the back. So now when you see this flashcard, you will see pizza in the front and you have to remember, well, what is pizza? And then you click and it shows you what pizza is. Okay, so we add. Let's say we have a grammar problem. I have this one, every time someone sends me a text. So this student forgot to add S to sends. So you can copy this and post it into the front. Delete this and just make an underline. Every time someone blank me a text. So the answer is there, sends. And if you want some help with this, if you don't think you could figure out what this blank is, then you could give yourself some options. You could click send, sending, sends, and give yourself different options. Okay, so I'll add that for grammar. And then I need to figure it out. So that's for vocabulary. And so I will add this. Okay, I need to figure it out. And so I'm wondering, what does that mean, figure it out? So on the other side, I write, I need to understand it. You could say learn about it. Or that could also mean I need to solve it. You can even remind yourself, what does this mean? I need to figure it out. So I just create it like that and add that. As long as I can come up with some meaning that's correct for this phrase, figure it out, as long as I get one of these and it's correct, then you're good. Okay, so I think you have the idea. Just one more example for grammar. We have a preposition, share with So we'll say share blank others, and the answer is with. And here, if you want to, you can give yourself some options if you don't think you can remember what should go there. So share of, share with, share to, and any preposition that you can think of. Okay, and then you have your answer. So that's pretty much it, and you add. So once you're done with that, just close. And here you can refresh, so that way make sure you save it. It will go onto the Anki website, and then on your phone, when you download the app, you can sync it. So whenever you make changes, be sure to save it, sync it. And it's syncing just like that. So now I want to study my cards. So I just click. I could use my phone, but let's just study now right on the computer. And here we have it. What is that? And you can show the answer.
Pizza.
It's pizza. For this, you can either play it again in 1 minute, it's good, and play it again in 10 minutes, or it's easy and play it again in 4 days.
Pizza.
Okay, so what is that? Show the answer, and you have your options. Okay, so I hope that this tutorial was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions about making your own flashcard deck, and let me know if when you use it, if it's also helping you. I think it's been so great for helping me remember the vocabulary. I was really struggling before with my memory. I would learn so many words and I couldn't really remember them when it came time to speak. So using this application and training myself to remember has been so helpful, and it's also kind of helped me to remember other things as well. So improving your memory skills is definitely very useful, and it's going to be great for your language learning. So let me know if this was helpful, if you liked this, or if there's a different way that you make flashcards. Okay, thank you.